Hoo hoo! Hello, bright young owlets. I'm Ollie the Owl, and today we're going to learn about something magical called a stock. Imagine your favorite toy store, or a big lemonade stand. What if I told you that you could own a tiny piece of it? That tiny piece is called a stock. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small part of a company. That makes you a shareholder, someone who shares in the company's success. Let's say my friend, Penny the Porcupine, starts a cookie shop. She wants to grow it, but she needs money to buy more ovens and chocolate chips. So, Penny sells little shares of her business to her friends. Now, every time Penny sells a cookie, her friends earn a little too. That's what buying a stock is like. It helps the company grow, and you might earn money if the company does well. Now, where do people buy and sell these stocks? In the magical forest? Hoo-hoo, not quite. They use something called the stock market. It's like a big trading treehouse where grown-ups buy and sell pieces of companies every day. Sometimes stocks go up and people make money. Sometimes they go down and they don't. That's why we always say, only invest what you can afford to lose, and never put all your eggs in one nest. Let's flap back and remember, a stock is a small piece of a company. Stocks are bought and sold in the stock market. If the company grows, your stock might be worth more. Isn't that neat? You're already learning to be money smart. Hoo-hoo!